This year, Midea was honored to be chosen by Trevor Brown Construction to put our HVAC equipment in not only one, but two of his homes. So in the home, we've got three systems. One is the Midea EVOX central heat pump and air handler system. Two, we've got a Midea In one-way cassette. The third unit we have inside is a 12,000 BTU Midea All Easy Pro high wall. So let's go inside and see what it looks like. So here, we're in the master bedroom with the new Midea In one-way ceiling cassette you'll see up here. You'll see it's discrete, it's countersunk, and it fits in between the ceiling joists of any home. What this allows you to do is keep this master bedroom as warm and cool as possible at the perfect temperature instead of having to do that to the entire home. So that's efficiency and it's comfort, all in one product. As you can see, the Midea All Easy Pro high wall is running. What this allows you to do is keep the garage at what temperature you want. Cool in the summer, warm in the winter. Keep your vehicles cozy, and if this is your workshop, you can also work out here without being uncomfortable. So now we're in the basement, next to the Midea EVOX air handler. It's running at full speed, and I know you can barely hear it, but only the best for Trevor Brown Construction. This is the ultimate comfort experience in Midea EVOX.